Hey, do you want to learn how to use Paper Animator? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So over here, it's going to be a full step-by-step tutorial, and I'm on paperanimator.com. You can turn any photo into paper animated graphics in seconds. You can create this type of animation. So you can just give it a simple image, and it's going to remove the background from it. And then it's just going to put this border, like paper border around it, and then it's going to animate it. Just like this, and paper fold animation is also there. So paper fold out animation, just like Ali Abdul style. If you know about Ali Abdul, they have these type of animations. There's a text match cut, which is complex editing trick in single click. It's useful if you're creating some documentary or something. It would be useful for that. And so once you're done, you can just click on launch and you can start off with the project. So let's go over here. And this is the dashboard. I've got 1 credit, so I'm just the free plan user. So you will get like 1 credit, I think, to export. So over here, this is the home page. And here you can choose between 720p or 100p, but the 100p is for the pro plan, so you need to upgrade to it. And you can switch between 16:9 or 9:16 aspect ratio. So I can go to 16:9 here, and I can choose a file or drag it here. So let's click, and let's say I drag this controller image and use this image. And that's it. I can see that this image is now in that paper animation. Now there's a paper toggle, paper unfold on or off. Let's click on it. So it's going to animate it like that. Looks great. Okay. You can choose image file from here as well. There's a toggle green screen on or off. So this is useful if maybe you are using an editing tool like After Effects or Premiere Pro, and you want to just remove the green screen and use it for your editing project. You can do that. Click on type some text here, and then you can type text. For example, something like this, PS5 free, and then click on generate. And then it's going to have this animation with the text. Then let's turn on page unfold and fold off and on. All right. So you can see that this also animates like that. And then you can turn on or off the green screen to use it in your editing projects. All right. So once done, you can just click on here on export. Okay. It requires a credit. It's not for free. It requires a credit. You need to, if you're exporting it as a transparent PNG, it's 0.5 credits. If you want to export it as an MP4 video, then it would be 1 credit. All right. On the right of this, we have got animation settings. You can increase or decrease the size of it. Edge thickness. So basically the paper border can increase or decrease the size of that. Edge intensity, edge details. You can see how it changes on the left-hand side. The cutout style, the texture strength, the shadow offset, and all this. There's a shadow blur as well, which is probably going to be the background shadow blur behind this thing. So you can see that it increases or decreases behind it. Shadow strength and movement. Basically, it's going to move more frequently than if you make it like 14. It's going to move very less. The speed of it is going to decrease, basically. So I can make it faster by making it 85, and you can see it moves much faster. All right, so that was it for this one, and let's click on this text match cut. I'm excited to try out this one. Okay, so you can choose the dark theme from here, or you can choose to not use the dark theme. First, let's click here to type something. Enter a keyword to create your text match cut. Okay, so you've got 3 previews available for the free plan. So you can do 3 previews. It would probably be for so that no one can take the video, just like use a snipping tool and then take the video. So they're probably trying to figure out how to avoid the theft part of it. So let's just type in something like this. PS5 is now free. Let's click on create text match cut. All right, it's currently rendering it. Okay, looks great. And let's click on here to play it. Okay, you can see that it looks pretty nice. And I can switch from 720p. Okay, I can't do that. It's weird, why can't I do it? Okay, it seems I cannot switch from 720p over here. Create current frame. Yep, I cannot change the 720p or the 9:16 to 16:9. That's not possible here. Maybe it would be possible if you upgrade to the paid plan. I'm not sure. There's a background type. You can make it dynamic, but that's for the paid plan as well. There's background style, again, the paid plan, blur type, and there's blur intensity. So you can switch that. There's chromatic aberration. You can turn it on or off. There's dark theme, which basically does nothing. All right. So that's it. And if you want to export it, you can click here to export. There's MP4 video. So if you don't want a watermark with it, you can export and it would be 1 credit. What I was saying before about the theft is actually not possible because they have these paper animator watermark on it. So yeah, not possible. So you can recurrent current frame from that button. And yeah, if you do export the MP4 video with a watermark, it's for free, which I'm sure that most people will not do that. If you go over here in buy credits, this is what their pricing is. You can pay for the pro plan, which is monthly, which is $3.49 per month. And you can see here 120 credits each month, full HD exports, unused credits do roll over, and fast export servers. And on the left of this, we've got pay as you go, quick credits. So if you just want like one-time quick credits, you can pay for it. So yeah, that's what it is. And if you want to log out, you can click on this on the top right and click on log out. If you go into accounts, you can sign out from here as well. There's billing and credits and the activity. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use Paper Animator. This was the full step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and on the right-hand side, you're going to find more Paper Animator or other motion graphic AI tools related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.